Hey everyone, Marlon here. It's finally cooling down in Phoenix and we even got a little rain. Today I'm hand pollinating my butternut squash and giving you a quick update on the garden. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more garden updates. Let's get started. A few weeks ago, I planted some leafy veggies and they germinated super fast within just 3 days. At first, they were looking pretty rough and got leggy, so I had to transplant them, setting them a little deeper into the soil. Now they're thriving, and before long, I'll be moving them to their permanent home. These scallions are growing like crazy. It's hard to believe it's only been 2 weeks since I've planted them. I highly recommend adding them to your garden. My jalapeno peppers are thriving, with peppers popping up all over the plant. The chilies are also coming in really nicely. The cucumbers have started to blossom, and I'm hoping we'll get a good harvest soon before it gets too cold. My sorrel is ready for harvest. While I still have plenty of immature pods on the plants, it just means there's more sorrel to look forward to before the year is over. If you're curious about how I use sorrel, just ask in the comments. Now, let's get started with pollinating our butternut squash. To do this, you'll take pollen from the male blossom and transfer it to the female blossom. You can tell the female blossom apart because it has a small squash at the base, while the male blossom only has a stem. Simply use a small paintbrush to collect the pollen from the male flower and gently apply it to the female flower. That's it. In a few days, if all goes well, you should start seeing a butternut squash developing. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out all my other garden updates and tips. And as always, stay blessed.